Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie, and today I'm real excited to unbox one of my first canvases I purchased from diamondart.club's recent anniversary sale. I bought 6 of them and 5 of them actually were pre-orders, meaning that they're not going to get delivered till later in June. But fortunately, this one came in first. When I first ordered it, I saw that it didn't have a pre-order date, so I knew I was going to get it kind of soon, but it was a lot sooner than I thought. This wonderful canvas is called After the Rain by Abraham Hunter, and it's a 38.6 by 25.6 inch or 97.8 by 65 centimeters. It's a big one. And it's a square shaped painting. I love Abraham Hunter. I love his canvases, his art. I love his skies. When I saw this one getting unboxed by the sneak peek, it super won me over, and I thought, yeah, I have to pick this one up. This wonderful canvas on the side does let you know the information about it. It has, I believe, 65 colors, which include 2 Aurora Borealis or AB diamonds and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Once this canvas is completed, a total of 102,573 diamonds have been placed. And this is, the art is wrapped around on the top of the little sleeve on the box. As you can see, the little reflective of the wonderful little art. And I love that they always put a lot of images here in the front and on the side. Apologies if you hear the thumping, it's my upstairs neighbors. And at the bottom of the box, they do include a small thumbprint of the wonderful art. Really useful for, for myself. I do stack my collection, so I like pointing the ends, so if, whichever one I'm going to work on next, I can see which canvas it is, and oh my goodness, it is really packed in there. I did not know it was going to be like that. Give me a moment. I'm going to have to kind of shake it a bit. Okay, shake it a lot. Oh my goodness, it is really, really packed in there. I knew sometimes some of these large canvases, they really trying to make them fit. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me get the tilt kit out, because sometimes it gets stuck with that. Oh, I bent the little box. Sorry about that. As you can see, there's a nice little sleeve that holds the canvas and everything else with it. So as you saw, the tilt kit, wonderful canvas, and the label sheet. Oh my goodness, I got nervous because I didn't see it. So let me put it aside. I'm going to make sure to figure it out when I try to pack it back in. So this is the wonderful tilt kit. I'm not really going to go through it. I've unboxed a lot of Diamond Art Club canvases, all tilt kits. They are now just redesigned. So if you're curious on what the tilt kit is, you can see some of my previous unboxings or any other unboxings from Diamond Art Club. But yeah, I own a lot of these trays. And let's get the canvas out, because I know it's a big one. As you can see in this wonderful dust-proof back, ooh, apologies for that. It has a stick on top, which, as you heard, dramatically comes off. And let's get the canvas rolled out. So the diamonds are actually rolled up in the canvas, which I'm a big fan of that, because it does save room, especially with, as you all saw me struggle with the box, for space. Oh my goodness, they are really thumping up there. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Since it's rolling on its own, as you all saw, I'm going to roll it backwards. Diamond Art Club canvases have a poured glue adhesive, meaning it's safe if you ever have to, for example, what I'm doing now, roll it the opposite way. Really helps the canvas to lay down flat and really helps for any creases. Blanket effect. I love doing that. I miss doing that. And there you go. Oh my goodness. I know it's a big canvas, but you all know what I'm about to say. It's a little bit smaller than I thought. I'm saying that to a 97 centimeter. Ooh, don't think I'm at that level yet. But I know seeing it on video, on pictures, totally different when you see it in person. And really, in person, it really doesn't look as large as I thought it would be. It's still big, don't get me wrong, but I think that's pretty cool. I just love the little barn. I love the wonderful sky. I love, as I stated, Abraham Hunter canvases. I love his skies. So that's, I'm a big fan. When I saw this one was one of his. And I love the little moo-moos. There's two little cows here, and they kind of won me over. So let's let this rest, and it'll settle on its own. Let's go through the little label sheet. So the Diamond Art Club does include these little envelopes, and it includes a wonderful little treasure quest card. And as you can see, it's the wonderful art of the canvas and all the information about it. And these wonderful cards are nice little collectibles the Diamond Art Club now includes. And in the front, as I stated, it has the wonderful image of the art. And in the back, oh my goodness, I got a silver card. It lets you know what card type it is. And fortunately, I got a silver. There are 4 different color types. There's a bronze, silver, gold, and black. Black being the rarest. And all you do is collect certain color combinations so you can redeem the codes that you scratch off of this silver square. And you can turn them in for gift cards and several different items. Myself, I love collecting the cards, but I will not say no to a silver. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I need a couple of silver cards so I can get a $200 gift card. Yeah, I said 200. Mostly because I want to get ready for Black Friday because, oh, I know myself. So yay, I'm happy I got a silver card. And as well as the envelope, it has information, especially if you're new to the craft, so tips and tricks, as well as QR codes for the official Facebook group and for the official Diamond Art Club app. And just for transparency, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate. I have a code ROSE10, and I do put it in the description below. If you ever use that code and it's your first ever Diamond Art Club purchase, $10 are taken off your order. And for some extra transparency, once that code is used, I do get a small little commission, but do not worry, it always goes back to the channel because I love diamond paintings, y'all. This is a good example. So let me put this aside real quick. And this is the wonderful little pamphlet. It's pre-cut with adhesives. It has the information of the painting and a wonderful little diamond sticker that you can put anywhere. I have them everywhere. And oh my goodness, I love this really dark kind of fall tone of this beautiful canvas. And at the end, you can see the special diamonds. So there are the 2 ABs, and anything with Z is the fairy dust diamond. Really useful whenever you're kitting up, for example, this canvas. You can see which are the special diamonds, and they are pre-cut and adhesive, as you can see. Really love that because I use tube storage. At the back, it has a wonderful, beautiful image of the beautiful art, and you can see, as I said, the little cows or moons. And it has a wonderful little rainbow. I kind of forgot about that. I just love red barns. I really do, and I need to get more paintings with the barns because I really love them. As I stated, I love the color of the sky. I really love this art. At the bottom, it has the information about everything about the canvas and the end and start date. And this wonderful little picture is pre-cut and adhesive as well. Really useful for my physical logbook. I'm a big fan of that. So I put this aside real quick. And let's look at the canvas. So Diamond Art Club canvases are a nice velvety material, as you can hear, and the edges are scalloped and poked. It helps with fraying for the ends. At the top of the canvas, as you can see, it has the Diamond Art Club motto, "Do What Makes You Sparkle," and the name of the company. On the top left, lower right, a full legend of all the colors. Really useful that's on both sides because I do spin my canvases, so it really helps me out a lot. On the lower right side, information about the customer service and about the lifetime warranty of the canvas. So if you have any issues with the diamonds, any issues with the painting, do not worry. They will always help you out. They have with me. And at the bottom of the canvas, information about their social media, as well as a 10% discount code for your next Diamond Art Club purchase, as well as a hashtag to update on social media on the status of your paintings. And on the lower left, a small thumbprint of the wonderful image and all the information about the painting. Big fan of that as well. And Diamond Art Club apologies. Canvases have a really sturdy plastic on the top, and oh my goodness, the sticker is never a joke. As you can probably see, there are some really light gray lines. It's to show the perforations on the plastic. So if you do not wish to put release paper or washi tape method, any kind of method you use when you're painting, you can cut on the perforation cuts. So as you can hear, you can just start cutting it off. Ooh, I did that off camera. I'm going to do it again dramatically. As you can see, it'll tear. And the gray lines come with the plastic. As you all saw when I lifted it, it's not on the canvas itself. Big fan of that, because sometimes I get lazy. So I'll just start using perforations. It's a little bigger than I'm used to, but I'm trying to get back into painting larger sections. They are 4 by 4 inch squares. So it is a little larger than I'm used to, but I kind of want to get back into painting big sections. As you can see, I believe I can get all the canvas on camera. As you can see, there's like a little path that's walking to the wonderful little barn and all of the beautiful grass. Oh my goodness, I really love this canvas. Oh, I'm so excited. I really want to get it up. So, let's check out the diamonds. Oh my goodness, it is heavy. It's been a while since I've opened a large one. And oh my goodness, that is a gorgeous cinnamon roll. You can see the wonderful dark tones, a couple of the bright colors. To me, it screams fall. It is such a beautiful fall canvas. And I really, really love that. Oh, that is so pretty. The diamonds for the painting does have an indicator. So if you store your painting and your diamonds at 2 different locations, do not worry. They'll always find each other. I'm a big fan of that. And oh my goodness, I keep forgetting it's a square. I've been doing a lot of rounds, so sometimes I forget. Ooh, I have square paintings too. Oh, this is so pretty. So, if you give me a moment, I'm going to go get the label sheet because I threw it on the side somewhere, and we're going to look for the special diamonds. So, give me one moment. All right, I'm back. I'll be honest with y'all, it took me a little bit to find all the specials, but yay, I was able to find them. The first color, AB 918, a really dark red, and it's the wonderful little gas station symbol. That's what it makes me think of. It's here on the side of this barn. So I know I get glare from my overhead light, apologies for that, but all here on the side. And this tree here. I thought originally it was just there. No, I started seeing it on the barn. So on the side of the barns, it's going to have this really pretty kind of brick red color. I really like it. AB 945. Okay, this one kind of made me laugh when I saw it. It's a really kind of mustard yellow. The symbol is a negative symbol. It's on the cows. Some here on the head of the cow and also randomly in some of the fields. It's a lot sprinkled around. I just love that the cows are going to be shining a bit. It's here on the forehead of this one. Big fan of that. Next one, Z316, our first fairy dust. It's a really dark yellow and it's a diamond symbol. And this one took me a bit and now I kind of lost it again. It's in sections of a dark yellow. So it's kind of sporadically in the fields. Some here on this field, some on, oh, apologies. Oh no, I believe you can see it. Some in this dark yellow sections of the field. I kept seeing it. It's kind of random all over the place. That's why I thought it might have been one spot specific. No, it's kind of sprinkled everywhere. So the fairy dust is going to be all over the place. Next one, Z402. It's another dark mustard yellow, and it's a square with a dot in the middle. This one is I want to say this is a pathway, but I'm not too sure if it's a creek. This section here, that wonderful yellow is here in the middle, sprinkled as well. I'm not too sure if it's a path or it's a river. I can't tell. But I want to say it's a path because it's leading to the barn. So that's why I keep calling it a path. Next color is Z3607. It's a dark red, and it's the little carrot. Oh, apologies, not carrot. Side arrow pointing to the right. This one was another one that I had to really look around for it. And also as well, here in the middle of the path. It's here too. And finally, the last color, Z3820, a dark mustard yellow, and it's the end of the arrow. This one, super guilty of being spread all over this yellow section of the fields with the cows. I love that. A little bit on this yellow part too. Big fan of that as well. So the specials are pretty much everywhere. Oh, and that right pointing arrow is here in the sky. It's sprinkled on this little red section. It took me a bit to find it too. I was like, ooh, that is really well hidden. So I really like it. I love where all of the palette of this canvas, and it's just so pretty. As you can see, it's strained out on its own. Big fan of that. All the information of this canvas I'm putting in the description below. If maybe a nice barn with some cows and a rainbow is your cup of tea as well. I kind of want a barn. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Yep, emoji time. Either a barn or a cow, or both. Because I've seen both emojis, so I'm happy with either or. Just because I love barns and cows and all of that. It lets me know you're kind enough to watch the video all the way to the end. Thank you so much for that. And I really do appreciate it. Oh, and another side note. Last time I saw this painting was actually sold out. But you can put a reminder for when it becomes back in stock. So if you're interested in it, you'll get an email when it does come back in stock. Since this was new released, I've heard that they're going to restock as soon as they can, so stay tuned. This wonderful canvas can be yours too. So now, back to kitting this up, because I really, actually putting it away, because I really want to kit it up. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.